the EFF reject your apology. It's not an apology. It's an afterthought of a racist that wanted to undermine the authority of a democratic institution called Parliament. And you wanted to erode its authority, and you successfully failed. Because we'll never allow that. We're not going to allow that the white males must continue to do what they've been doing previously during apartheid government. You displayed white arrogance, white supremacy, and we watched it in action. And you need to know that which you did reflects exactly what happened at Flag Plus. And you confuse this parliament to be like a Flag Plus, as if UDINCOG is in charge and we are subjects and arrested in that farm. We're not in a farm here. We're elected by our people. Whether you like it or not, you have an obligation to respect the will of the people, because this parliament is the will of the people. So you must find it in you that the new South Africa does not have a room for that kind of behavior of white males who are racist in nature. Thanks, Chair.